Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all well. I am also well. চলো PY QS previous years questions পড়ে নিই ট্রান্সপিরেশন চ্যাপ্টার থেকে। The paper used to demonstrate unequal transpiration in a dicot leaf is filter paper, litmus paper, starch paper, cobalt chloride paper. Gannon's protometer is used to study photosynthesis, rate of uptake of water, exosmosis, guttation, rate of uptake of water. Explain the term guttation, the loss of water in the form of water droplets from the surface of the leaf. The loss of water in the form of water droplets through the stomata. The loss of water in the form of water vapor along the leaf margin. The loss of water in the form of water droplets along the leaf margin. Right answer? The right answer, the loss of water in the form of water droplets along the leaf margin. That is called guttation. Guttation answer কি দিয়েছে? Guttation is the process by which plant loses water in the form of droplets through pores. মানে লিফ মার্জিনে পোরগুলো আছে, সেই পোরগুলোকে বলা হয় হাইডাথোড। The factors that does not affect the rate of transpiration: intensity of light, carbon dioxide, velocity of wind, oxygen. State the exact location of stomata. More on the upper surface of the dorsiventral leaves. More on the lower surface of the dorsiventral leaves. Both upper and lower surface of the dorsiventral leaves. None of the above. More on the lower surface of the dorsiventral leaf. Dorsiventral leaf কাদের আছে? ডাইকট প্ল্যান্টে। তারপরে ডরসাল সাইডেও স্টোমাটা থাকে, ভেন্ট্রাল সাইডেও স্টোমাটা থাকে। ভেন্ট্রাল মিন্স লোয়ার সারফেস, ডরসাল সারফেস মিন্স আপার সারফেস। তো ডরসিভেন্ট্রাল লিফের ক্ষেত্রে লোয়ার সারফেসে বেশি স্টোমাটা থাকে। স্টেট দ্য ফাংশন অফ গার্ড সেল। রেগুলেট দ্য ক্লোজিং অফ স্টোমাটা, রেগুলেট দ্য ওপেনিং অ্যান্ড ক্লোজিং অফ স্টোমাটা, রেগুলেট দ্য ওপেনিং অফ স্টোমাটা, regulate the process of photosynthesis, regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Xylem, translocation of food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant, conduction of food, conduction of water and food, conduction of water and minerals from the root to the other parts of the plant. Right answer D. Hydathode, helps in transpiration, helps in guttation, helps in imbibition, helps in transpiration of water, helps in guttation. Permanently open structures seen on the barks of old woody stem, stomata, hydathode, lenticel, epidermal pores, lenticel. Transpiration is useful to the plant because it creates a suction force for absorption of water from the soil, helps in photophosphorylation, synthesizes glucose, splits water molecules, creates a suction force for absorption of water from the soil, যেটাকে বলা হয় ট্রান্সপিরেশনাল পুল। Mention the exact location of guard cells around the root hairs, around the lenticels, around the thylakoids, around the stoma. Explain the term transpiration. It is the loss of water in the form of droplets from the aerial parts of the plant. It is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the underground parts of the plant. It is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant. It is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from all parts of the plant. Right answer, it is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant. State the function of hydathodes. Transpiration, absorption of water, photosynthesis, guttation. State the function of the cuticle on leaves. prevents photosynthesis, reduces transpiration, protects leaves from grazing animals, gives color to leaves, reduces transpiration. Which one of the following does not affect the rate of transpiration? Light, humidity, wind, age of the plant. এটাও তো এফেক্টেড হয়। সিডলিংয়ে ট্রান্সপিরেশন কম হচ্ছে, ম্যাচিওর্ডে ট্রান্সপিরেশন বেশি হচ্ছে, সেনেসেন্স ইন দ্য সেনেসেন্স ট্রান্সপিরেশন ডিক্রিজেস। এটা ডিসপুট আছে। Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The rate of transpiration will be fastest when the day is hot, humid and windy, cool, humid and windy, hot, humid and still, hot, dry and windy, hot, dry and windy, windy